Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm decided to do, this one's a little bit bigger, that's why, is the cash stuffing. Now, I do play cash and some regular cash, but right now it's all play cash. So, we're adding a couple of new things, the 52-week coin challenge that I made. As how many coins I can get for the year, you know, and I have this little bag that I put it in. So we're going to do that in just a minute. Okay, and we have our Christmas savings challenge. We're going to do that in just a minute. So I have I switched out the planner. We're going to use this yellow one for all the envelopes. And I put them in here for what what I think I'll be using, you know, what I'll be doing eventually, if not now, but soon. And I did cut out some of these. Now I'm gonna go in and fill these in later. These are the little photocopied bank deposit record things. And I'm gonna put one in each one of these, but I'm gonna fill it out after. The only one that's going to be filled out right now is the savings one. And so this is going to be savings. So this is the account, savings account, where I put money in there and try not to touch. I mean, we can touch it if we need to, but I'm trying not to touch it. So as of right now, where's my sticky? We have $616 in there. So I'm just going to write in balance is 616, and this change, but I'm not going to add the change. So I just put, and this is 1, 5. So today is the 5th. So there's 616, so I'm going to take 600s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 16. So 10, 15, 16. So that's in this savings account. And I did make that was the card I had to make, guys, is the savings account. And I don't have it written on yet, but it's this one with no writing on it. So this is the savings. So that is how much is in there right now. So we are not going to touch that. Try not to touch that. Okay, now in Christmas, I gotta look back at last week, the last one, and I think I took money out for that. I did. I didn't take it out the one before that. No. Okay, so I took out 25. I took out 25 last time. And this time, coming up, I am taking out another 25. Now this is supposed to be 55, but things have come up, and sometimes you just can't do it, you know, and that's what you know, as long as you can put something in there. So I'm going to cross off, well, I'm not really going to cross it off, because this is my, I think this is my, I think I can print out another one of these. I saved it on my computer. I have not cut it yet to fit into my bill binder. And I don't know if I'm going to do that. I don't know. So I'm just going to put 25 right here and 25 right here. So, and I figured out I want $1,000 from January to September. So that's what this should be at $55 a month. Now, every paycheck. I may be able to, so like right now, I am $30, $60 behind. I don't know if this is gonna work, but if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 times 25. 19 times 25 equals $475. That is still something to go towards Christmas, you know, even if I can't do the 55. I am going to be able to do it, but we've got to pay off some of these after Christmas things first. So this is going into my Christmas one. And I put $50 in here for last time, but I didn't do that. So I'm gonna put that back. I have $50 in here now. 25, 25. So I am going to leave that in here because that's how much I have right now in there. So we will put these back. Okay. So, and then I can color these two things in. So what should I use? I have, let me get my planner card. You guys can't see it because it's off camera. But I have some, probably should just use green because it's for Christmas. So I've got these markers, so let's just, we'll color in the first one green. And it's just pleasing to see that you're accomplishing something, you know, at least that's how I feel, you know. So let's color, let's make it pretty. Doesn't have to be all, you know. Let's do this fuchsia color. Well, it's purple. Well, it's fuchsia. It looks purple to me. Okay. There's a purple one. So we will start doing this now, and so that'll be fun. Okay, so there's the Christmas one. We took care of that. Now we have 16 for the registration. 16 for the registration. And I have that in here, car registration. And I have money in here already. Let's just straighten it out. Okay. So we should have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. 48 bucks in here. $48. And I need 62. So yeah, one more thing, and that'll take care of it. So that one is checked off. So we did that one. We did Christmas. Okay, so now we have the property tax, which is 14. And all the 10s that I'm using are going to come back, but I have another whole thing of this money. So 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the property tax. So we should have, we should have quite a bit in here for that now. Let's see. Okay, let's see how much we have for that now. 10, 47, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, $57, so that's pretty good. So we are going to put these ones back in here and grab a 5. And then this is 50, so we're gonna grab a 50. So that worked out cool. And these $2 bills are back here, and I will use them if I have to. And then a 5, and then 10s. There's that. So 57 bucks in property tax. That's what we should have. And I think we do. So there's that one. So we did the property tax. Now clothing is getting 25. And what did I do with that one? Right here. Clothing. There's 25. And this is a real dollar. So there's 26 in there. I mean, so now it will be 40, 50, 51. So we are going to put those back and grab a 50. So there's $51 in clothes right now. So there's that. If she needs clothes prior to school, like she's growing again, so if I need to buy her summer clothes, I'll take it from this fund, you know, I'll take it from there. So the new thing that we are going to add, and this is going to be my pink one back here, is going to be for the washer and dryer, the floor, and my dishwasher. So I'm supposed to put $100 in here. So we are going to put $100 in here. So there's that. There is our savings bucket for that. So, and we put that in there. So this is done. So now we have my coins. So this is what I have so far. And I'm just putting it in this little bag, guys, until I can get a coin processor thingy. So let's go in and separate this real quick. Won't take long at all because it's mostly silver. And I haven't told Ariel I'm doing this because I don't want her to come down and take my money. And I haven't gone anywhere in the past while to get any change. So this is from the end of last month till now. And so we will write this in for the first week of this 52 weeks. So this is the first week, so we'll see how much we have. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, $4 in. So there's 4 in quarters. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 cents in dimes. We've got 10, 20, 30 cents. Oh, 40 cents in dimes, 30 cents in nickels, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 20 cents in pennies. So let's add that up. We've got $4 plus 40 cents plus 30 cents plus 20 cents plus, we got 7, 8, 9. $4.90 in the last 2 weeks. So we're gonna put $4.90. $4.90. So that's pretty good. And then once we get to, like, if we get up to that, if we get up to like $100, say, I doubt it, but if we do, I'll put that in the savings account. So for now, we've counted this one. So I really should have a bucket to put it in. You know what? Let's put it in my Deck the Halls cup. Because we've already counted this, we don't want to count it again. And so I gotta find a container to put this stuff in. For now, this will work, because I don't use that to drink out of. And so we'll just put it in there. There. I'll just put it in my little cup. That's where we'll stick that. So, anyway, that is it for our little cash stuffing stuff. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So I just got to go through and write in the totals of everything that we have right now. And then if I get more coins, I will put them in my bucket. And each week, we'll see what there is. If there's nothing, then I'll put a 0 there. If we get like 5 cents, I'll put 5 cents in there. We're going to count everything. So there's that. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and we will see you all again soon. Bye now.